67.
That's what we're doing, Papa. Affirmative, runway 24, clear to land on the go, make left traffic.
24, clear to land, on the go, left traffic, 53 Papa.
Unless we're doing, Papa, sorry, I meant runway 24, clear, touch and go.
24, clear, touch and go, 53 Papa. Are too high, but that's not a problem.
5, lean
minus
final
with the runway.
1 mile final, runway 24.
Slow down to 60.
Clear, touching go, number 2, on the go, continue up.
Nose up.
24, next to back, clear land runway 24.
Second flaps.
Charlie,
Nose
down.
down.
24, clear land.
Nose down.
500.
And keep us at 55. Let's take more feet. Nose down. Wonderful, wonderful, perfect, absolutely great. This is exactly how we should. Not slower than 55.
Control 9 off northeast, tower hold shore, runway 24, Juliet, landing traffic.
Nose, your feet. Yep, see? Bring us to the runway. Pull up a little, let it fly out the energy, and we're good. Flaps down, full power, and this time is going to be left traffic.
Left traffic, roger. 50.
Rotate, use brakes, and we're flying.
Okay.
Tell me that was not beautiful.
That was so comfortable.
Yep, don't freeze on pedals.
What's that?
Don't freeze on pedals.
No, I only froze at one because like the plane moved and I was like,
yeah, you were flying off the runway and you didn't bring it back.
Yeah. And we're doing left traffic, correct?
Yep.
So we're going to 15.
Yep. Don't pull up. A little more right rudder, perfect. Let it fly. See? You let it fly out the energy. Flaps down, full power. And extend.
Can you make the left turn at Juliet?
See? You did a perfect textbook landing.
Were you helping though?
No.
Are you lying to me? Just lie to me. Or don't lie.
Right rudder, don't forget about it.
Yeah.
See, we're flying away from the runway. Add a little more power.
Alright, clear, traffic to follow, head interior on right base, 1,200 indicated archer according to
More right rudder. Yes, see, align us with the runway. And we immediately align and get to whites to reds and we're coming in like a boss.
I just feel like sometimes it's overcorrecting to the right too much to be center line.
You have to figure out when it's enough.
Okay.
I would give tiny bit more.
Northeast, Skyhawk 7833 Golf.
A little more nose
Northeast
down.
13 Lima Golf, make left traffic this fast.
Left traffic,
More nose down.
Or 78
More right
Golf,
rudder.
northeast tower.
Just tiny bit more right rudder. Exactly.
Northeast, Skyhawk 7833 Golf is 9 miles to the north at 2,500 feet.
And keep us flying.
Number 3 Golf, pay attention.
Wake up, you take off, look for
Wake
one,
up
yeah.
your feet.
Number 3 Golf,
Yeah.
Roger
Just
that,
wake them up.
enter right base, runway 24.
Keep flying.
To right base,
keep
runway
flying.
24, Golf.
Number 58 here, base turn is approved, runway 24, clear, touching on the go, extend that one.
Perfect. Number 215 here, right base is approved. Stop and go, right?
Stop. Here,
2 fingers on the stick.
slow down. Reduce the power. Keep the nose up. Otherwise it will never slow down. Second flaps. Nose down. 55. And if you keep 55 and us aimed to the runway, it will bring us exactly where we want to be.
Okay. We're going to keep it aimed at the runway.
From the northeast, inbound for a full stop.
Check 1
Nose take,
northeast
yes,
tower, maintain
just
BFR, make sure it in runway
Little
24.
more right rudder.
BFR straight in for
Just
runway
little
24.
more right rudder.
Archer 785 Lima Alpha, you're
Perfect.
flying traffic ahead into your
Perfect.
left, over the racetrack 1,000.
And keep us flying in this attitude.
3, I now have a traffic inside 795 Lima.
5 Lima Alpha, follow traffic number 312,005,
Keep
runway
flying like
24,
this.
clear the lane.
Little more right rudder. Align the nose with the center line. Don't flare.
Light support 3 Lima Papa, no delay on the runway. If you can, make the left at Juliet and remain this frequency.
You got it?
Left and Juliet remain at this frequency. needed to slow down to trillions.